Dear students, in continuation of our parts, that is electrophilic substitution reactions, MSc Organic Chemistry, second year, पेपर नंबर 207. यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कपलिंग रिएक्शन के बारे में. प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था कि अरेनियम आयन क्या होता है, सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या होता है, अरेनियम आयन कैसे बनाया जाता है. उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, इप्सो सब्स्टिट्यूशन, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन, कौन से इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हमने एक्सप्लेन किए थे. नाइट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन, हैलोजनेशन, फिडल-कार्ब अल्किलेशन एंड फिडल-कार्ब असाइलेशन, उसका मैकेनिज्म भी हमने एक्सप्लेन किया था. अब यहाँ पे कपलिंग रिएक्शन जो कि डायजोनियम कपलिंग रिएक्शन हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं. कपलिंग रिएक्शन वेरियस टाइप्स के कपलिंग रिएक्शन होते हैं. इसमें से हमें एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द सिलेबस डायजोनियम कपलिंग, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे डायजो क्या होता है, व्हाट डू मीन बाय डायजो, ये कंसेप्ट हम यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द डायजो. So I can say this diazo is what? First of all, this is the N2. This is the azo as a functional group. Azo. जैसे कि पेंट होता है, पेंट it is contain this dyes. As you know, this is the synthetic or the artificial. This is the known as the dyes, and dyes contain the azo. So this is azo contained in the dyes. What is the diazo coupling? As you can say, diazo coupling. This reaction it is called as the diazo coupling reaction. First of all, if we are having this is the aromatic, primary aromatic amines, it must be primary aromatic amines. रिएक्शन कंडीशन 0 to 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस यहाँ पे लेना है. कोल्ड कंडीशन है, कोल्ड कंडीशन. सो इट इज रिएक्टिव विद NaNO2 plus NaNO2 plus HCl. This is called as the diazonium salt. As you can say, diazonium salt. So this is the diazonium salt is reacted with the primary aromatic amine. So this primary aromatic amine is treated with the diazonium salt. So what happened? There is formation of what? Diazonium chloride. As you can say, this is the formation of N2Cl. This N positive Cl negative, it is called as the BDC, or you can say this is known as the ADC. Aryl diazonium chloride और benzene diazonium chloride. So अब इसका अलग अलग हम रिएक्शन कर सकते हैं. So as you know, first you can use CuCl2 or CO2Cl2. Then formation of what? This is the chlorobenzene. If it is reacted with what CuBr or copper bromide, this is the CO2Br2. Then what happen? Copper bromide, this formation of the bromobenzene. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. If it is reacted with the this is the what? Potassium iodide. Again what? Heat. Then formation of what? Iodobenzene. Formation of what? Iodobenzene. If it is reacted with the HbF4, then what about formation of what? Fluorobenzene. So formation of what? Fluorobenzene, chlorobenzene. So this particular reaction, as you can say, aniline BDC or ADC to fluorobenzene by using HbF4. Such types of the reaction is known as what? Bar-Chimond reaction. इस रिएक्शन का नाम है बार-चिमंड रिएक्शन. इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म इट इज कॉल्ड एज द BSR, बार-चिमंड रिएक्शन. Starting molecule primary aromatic amine is treated with the diazonium salt, formation of diazonium chloride, formation of the ADC or the BDC. If it is reacted with the copper chloride, copper bromide, potassium iodide, formation of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Such types of the reaction is known as what? Sandmeyer reaction. The name of the reaction it is called as what? Sandmeyer reaction. इस रिएक्शन का नाम है Sandmeyer reaction. अब यहाँ पे कपलिंग रिएक्शन क्या होता है, इसको भी हम डिस्कस करते हैं. जैसे कि हमने प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन से BDC फॉर्म किया. प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक अमाइन में हमने क्या किया? NaNO2 सोडियम नाइट्राइड और हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एट 0 to 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस में हमने practically reaction किया. So what about if we are having this is the test tube or the beaker. In a test tube we can take what the first of all this test tube is taken in what is the practically as you can say, if we are having this is water which contain the ice and what salt, it is salt, as you can, this is the sodium chloride is here. And we can take, this is the test tube a small test tube is here. So test tube is here, so we can take, this is the one of the, this is the NaNO2 plus HCl. So it is a mixture of NaNO2 and HCl. So what happen, by addition of water primary aromatic amine, this is the pH NH2. The dropwise which added, this is the dropwise addition of, this is the primary aromatic amine. A few times is obtained, this is the types of the color, that is golden golden color is obtained, this is the pink pink golden color is obtained. So here formation of the pink golden color obtained is here. So this is in the form of the salt, and this salt is called as the BDC, or you can say ADC, aryl diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium chloride. So if you can take, this is the aryl diazonium chloride or the benzene diazonium chloride, this is N2Cl. If it is treated with what different types of the reactant molecules. अब यहाँ पे ADC और BDC हमने जो फॉर्म किया, ADC और BDC जो हमने बनाया, ADC BDC में अब हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के रिएक्शन, मतलब रिएक्टेंट यूज करते हैं जो कि हमें कपलिंग रिएक्शन करना है. N2Cl, यहाँ पे हमने N2 पॉजिटिव एंड Cl नेगेटिव, इसका नाम है ADC और इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, BDC. So what happen here, it is treated with what, it is, if it is treated with what, the starting reactant molecule is what, if it is reacted with the phenol molecules, benzene molecules, if it is reacted with the phenol, benzene phenol, and if it is reacted with what, as you can say, this is the CHO molecules, or electron withdrawing group, any electron withdrawing group, not only CHO but also our COH or NO2 group. So what happen, there is formation of this loss of Cl, HCl is here, this N double bond N, and here formation of these types of the benzene nucleases, as it is loss of HCl. One hydrogen from benzene and one chlorine from here, minus HCl is here. So there is formation of what, such types of the coupling product. So this is what the coupling types of reaction, this is called as what, benzene diazonium coupling reaction. So what happens, this is called as, again this hydroxy group is here, having tendency to donate the electrons, because of this is the electron donating group, this is what ADG. So what happens, if we are having these types of the starting reactant is here, this is what starting reactants, which are the N double bond N, it goes to the formation of what, again what, this is the hydroxy group. There is formation of, this is the para directing, ortho para directing group, electron donating group is the ortho para directing group. That's why the substitution takes place at the para position of this, because the resonating structure, when we are to draw, then formation of this negative charge on para position. Here is what happens, if this is the electron withdrawing group, no doubt here N double bond N is created, but this is what, this is the CHO group at which types of the position, this CHO group at as what, CHO as a para or meta position. Because of this is the meta directing group, this is the CHO as electron withdrawing group, it acts as a meta directing group, and then formation of such types of the product. तो यहाँ पे ये product formation होता है. So such types of the reaction is डायसोनियम कपलिंग रिएक्शन. इस रिएक्शन को डायसोनियम कपलिंग रिएक्शन कहा जाता है.